This is the lecture number 4 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12th. Now in this lecture we'll start to solve the differential equation. Now what is the meaning of differential equation? Solving a differential equation. Now suppose in the previous exercise we have formed the differential equation like this. We have अगर x square is equal to this, तो अगर हम इसका first derivative निकाल लें ये 2x divided x equal to 2x और इससे दोबारा ये equation फॉर्म करने को हम बोलते हैं सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. तो सी बात है, यू हैव डन द integration, which is the antiderivative. If I have to find this original equation by solving the differential equation, so naturally when we remove the derivative, you'll get the integration. Or if you integrate both sides of this and with the same variable, you will get the original. The integral of 1 is y, 1 with respect to y is y, and the integral of x is x square plus c, and this is, you will get the original differential equation. So the meaning of solution of differential equation 2 means from the differential equation you have to find the original equation. So we have in your syllabus 3 types of solving of differential equation. First is separable variable, second is homogeneous differential equation, and linear differential equation. These are 3 types of solution of differential equation in your syllabus. And first of all, we are differentiation. We'll discuss this separable variable solution of differential equation, which will be the 4th exercise. So open your exercise 9.4 in your NCERT book, and you have to solve the differential equations. First is d by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now what is the meaning of solution of differential equation by using the separable variable? Separable variable means you have to collect the like terms on the same side. That is, we have d by dx, so you have to collect the term containing y with the dy and collect the term containing x with dx, like this. So here we have only the term containing the x. So first of all, I cross multiply like this. So all the terms have been separable variable, that is all the y is with dy and all the x is with dx, and taking integration on both sides. दोनों side इसका integration ले लेते हैं, and you have to integrate it, and on integration you will get the solution of this differential equation. So integral of y with respect to dy is y, and this integration you have to do it. The integration can be of any type. So it will be 2 sine square x by 2. It is 2 cos square x by 2 with respect to x. So it is 10 square x by 2 with respect to x. And to integrate this 10 square, I have to convert into sec square x by 2 minus 1. Now we know the integration of sec square x, which is 10x by 2, divided by the derivative of this, which is half, minus x plus c is equal to y. So this is the solution of this differential equation. Separable variable, that is, we have to collect the terms dy y with the dy and x terms with respect to with dx, like this. So this is the solution of differential equation by separable variable. Now in this exercise or coming exercise, the integration can be of any type which we have done in your chapter integration. So you should have very good command over the integration, only then you will able to do these exercise. Now so here you can easily separate like this, separable like this. Now taking integration on both sides like this. This is only x because integration of 1 with respect to this, and it is the special integral of under root a square minus x square, which is sine inverse x upon a. sine inverse x upon a. This is the solution of this differential equation by separable variable. So like this you can simply separate and find the solution of the given differential equation. Let us take the third. We have y d by dx. It is plus y is equal to 1. So dy upon dx, you have to have a very, you can do these types of question when you do it many times, and जब भी आप ये कर पाएंगे. So like this I've separated, taking integration on both sides, it is x plus c, and integration of 1 upon 1 minus y is log 1 minus y divided by the derivative of 1 minus y, this. So log 1 minus y is equal to minus x minus c. In place of minus c you can plus c also. कोई constant आप चाहे minus c लिख लें, c लिख लें, it means the same. See it. So like this you have to separate. Question number 4. We have this sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy equal to 0. तो how you have to separate it? ये प्रैक्टिस से आपके पास आएगा. I am taking the second term to the right hand side, and sec square x upon tan x dx is equal to sec square y tan y, separable variable, collecting the terms, having y with the dy and x with dx. Now taking integration on both sides. Now you know how to do the integration of this type. If you let this is equal to t, the sec square will be cancelled out and it will be 1 upon t, and the integration of 1 upon t is log t, and t आपने tan x को माना है. तो ये हो गया, log tan x आएगा. You take your own space. अगर आप डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते हैं, यू टेक योर ओन स्पेस एंड टाइम टू डू द इंटीग्रेशन. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर tan y को अगर t मानेंगे कैंसिल, तो इसका भी इंटीग्रेशन log tan y आएगा प्लस c प्लस c. तो इधर आके प्लस tan x प्लस log tan y is equal to c. Now you can use the property of the log. tan x प्लस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाता है इज इक्वल टू सी. अगर आप एक साइड से लॉग हटाएंगे तो दूसरी साइड एक्सपोनेंशियल आ जाता है, तो एक्सपोनेंशियल की पावर सी, और ई की पावर सी एक कांस्टेंट है, तो ई की पावर सी को आप सी भी लिख सकते हैं. तो ये आपको इस तरह के कुछ चीज़ें आएंगी. अब कांस्टेंट किसी भी पावर में तो अल्टीमेटली आप उसको सी ही लिखेंगे, लाइक दिस. सेट. तो अब you should know the integration very well, then you will able to do these types of questions like this. ठीक है. Now let us take the next question number 5. We have e की power x plus e की power minus x. dy is minus e की power minus s e की power minus x. dx equal to 0. तो साफ पता चल रहा है. You take one of the term to the other side like this, collect the terms having dy on the same side, and e की power x minus e की power minus x upon e की power x plus e की power minus x with respect to x. all the terms containing x with dx and all the terms containing y with y, and taking integration on both sides. तो 1 का इंटीग्रेशन with respect to y is y. अगर आप इसको t मानेंगे, इसका डायरेक्ट e की पावर x माइनस e की पावर माइनस x आएगा. इट विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट एंड यू विल गेट इट्स इंटीग्रेशन एज log t विच इज e की पावर x प्लस e की पावर माइनस x प्लस c. आप इसको डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं अगर बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको आता है, इफ़ यू नो इट वेरी वेल. Question number 6. We have d by dx is equal to 1 plus x square and into 1 plus y square. तो ये आपके पास आ जाएगा dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square dx. सेपरेबल बहुत इजीली होगा, dx संग x वाली टर्म, dy के संग y वाली टर्म, टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑन बोथ साइड. तो इट इज x क्यूब अपॉन 3, बहुत इजीली हो गया, और ये इंटीग्रल होता है tan इनवर्स y का. So this is the question number 6. Question number 7 भी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. इट इज़ y log y dy minus x dy equal to 0. It is dx here. So separable variable like this. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका dx अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू dy अपॉन y log y. सेपरेबल हो गया, टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑन बोथ साइड्स. ये तो आपको पता ही चल रहा है कि ये log ऑफ mod x है. और अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखें, इफ़ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड कमांड ओवर इंटीग्रेशन, you can do it directly also. If you let it equal to t, its derivative will be 1 upon y, and this 1 upon y will be cancelled out. You will get only 1 upon t, and its integration is log t, so it will be log of log y. You can do it directly. If you are unable to do it, you can take your own time and space to do it. Now because all the terms are in log, so you can take the constant in the terms of log also, like this from this question onwards. सारी टर्म्स अगर लॉग में, तो कांस्टेंट भी आप लॉग में ही ले लीजिए. तो इट विल बी लॉग x लॉग c लॉग y, बिकॉज प्लस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाता है, लॉग से लॉग कैंसिल हो गया, तो c log y. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, लाइक दिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. इट इज x की पावर 5 dy अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस y की पावर y. तो y विद y dy dy वी हैव y की पावर 5 विद dx विद x की पावर 5. ईजिली सेपरेट हो गया, टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑन बोथ साइड. माइनस y की पावर 5 माइनस 1 अपॉन माइनस 5 प्लस 1. यहाँ पे भी x की पावर माइनस 5 प्लस 1 अपॉन माइनस 5 प्लस 1 प्लस c, एंड सिंप्लीफाई as far as possible, like this. Question number 9. We have d by dx is equal to sine inverse x, and dy is equal to sine inverse x with respect to x, and taking integration on both sides because they are separable variable. This is equal to y, and this you know how to integrate it. Multiply by 1 and integrating by parts by taking this as the first function and this as the second function. You integrate this yourself. In question number 10, we have e की power x 10y plus 1 minus e की power x and sec square y dy equal to 0. So like this you can arrange e की power x minus 1 sec square y dy equal to this. I have taken this to the right hand side, making this as positive, this as negative. So we have dx with it. So with dx we have e की power x upon e की power x minus 1 with sec square y dy we have 10y. Separable variable हो गया. See it very carefully. 10y e की power x minus 1 with taking integration on both side, and if you see the integration again, it is again if you know the integration very well, then you can do it directly. If you see it, if you let it equal to t, इसका डेरिवेटिव e की पावर x आएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 1 upon t and its integration will be 1 upon t का इंटीग्रेशन log t, और t आपने e की पावर x माइनस 1 माना था. सिमिलरली अगर इसको आप y माने तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा sec स्क्वायर y, इसका इंटीग्रेशन भी कितना आएगा, इट इज log t, दैट इज log 10y, like this. You can do this integration directly as I have done, and because all the terms are in log, so you can take the constant in the log also. In the right hand side you can write c 10y, log से log cancel हो गया. So this is the solution of this differential equation. Now, up till question number 10, we have done only the general solution of the differential equation, separable differential equation. After that, you have to find the particular solution of the differential equation with the given condition. That is, you have to find the value of c. That is, you have to eliminate this c also according to the given condition. Okay, we'll discuss the remaining question in the next lecture. Thank you.